Alright everybody, welcome back. Today I went to Walmart again. I found the brand new Classroom Crusher, the Speed Shred version, which says up here. All I need is a Thunder Roy, Cyber Flare, Megalodon, the Retro Gravedigger, the Chase Piece Megalodon, Pixel Punk, and the Childlike Earthshaker. Series 46, Real Trucks Real Action Monster Jam. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this up and have a closer look. Ooh, okay, this is a nice one. I love the yellow tires with black rims, and then the detail's cool. It's like math, which is cool, like the ABCs. Look at like paper. ABC, it says right there, and then the flames in the front, like it's ripping apart. PQR, it says right here, the alphabet. And it says go on this side, of course. We have the mascots in the window, of course. And the paper, which is cool. Good idea. There's more in the back. More. Well, Speedmaster is kind of awful this year, but I'll just gain the trucks that are cool, that I find interesting. The re-releases, I'm not going to bother with those. Black roll cage, yellow chassis, yellow tires, black rims and bead locks. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. No headlight printing like the original version. Because I own the original version too that came out. So, that's about it guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, has more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.